problem related to prostate, which I realized probably in April, and then I undergone a surgery in Nanavati. However, that led to further complications. It was a complex, it created a complex fistula. The underlying cause for which was TB, which was recovered post that. But when I came to Healing Hands, then Ashwin sir told me that this complex fistula, it's basically a case in, I think, 1 crore or 10 crore, like one case in 10 crore. And however, he was confident enough to treat it. He said that I have managed kind of 10 cases, similar 10 cases. And so I have basically fully recovered now. I had a surgery probably 31st May or something, and I have fully recovered. There were some follow-ups done, and it's like fully recovered now. The overall experience which I had with Healing Hands, considering the initial consultation plus the getting hospitalized or admitted into the Healing Hands hospital, plus the staff and everything, it was very nice, and it was overall good experience, and like I'm happy that I've got fully recovered.